Hello and welcome to the student tutorial for using Storybird. So the first thing you will do is visit the Storybird website, and that is storybird.com, and then click sign up for free. And once you're there, you'll click student and enter your username. You can create a username with your first and last name and then create a password. And then scroll down and click create account. And because it is a student count, you will be prompted to enter a class passcode. And so you will enter the passcode that I have given you. This is just a sample one that I'm entering on the video. And click enter. And now you're part of the class. So as you can see up here, this is your account with your username, and this is where you would go to log out. And right now we're going to go over here to assignments. And as you can see, there is one challenge assigned right now to create a quick picture book. So you'll click on that and then scroll down to look at the instructions. And this particular assignment is asking you to create a picture book about animals. So once you've read all those instructions, you will click Start Writing. And now you'll be able to scroll through all of these different artwork, and because this is a book about animals, we'll select this one because they're animals. And then we'll say use this art for a picture book because that was the assignment. Okay, so as you can see, this is your book right here, and we'll click right here. This is our title, so we will create a title there. And now we can go on to our next page, so we can choose artwork. We can type right here. We can click right here to add more pages, and then once you're in here you can use any of this artwork that's on the sides here, so we can drag it on there and then type in here. And once you're done with your story, you want to make sure you have art on all of your pages and you have a story, and then you want to make sure you have a title right over here. Then you'll click save and exit, and you want to make sure that it is being saved privately, and that way others in the class can see it. And because this is for a challenge, you want to make sure you're selecting the challenge that this is for the quick picture book, and then you can click publish. And this assignment also asks you to look at 3 other picture books written by other people in the class. So in order to do that, we'll come over here, hover over you, and then go to your class and look at the class library. So then we can go ahead and click on, this is one of the other students, and you can go ahead and click through using this arrow to read their work. This is just a sample, and then come down here and type comments about their work. So thank you for watching, and I hope you're excited to get started with using Storybird.